Empathy is not taken seriously and it's not practiced, and this is where a lot of organizations are going wrong. There are three types of empathy. Cognitive empathy, which is basically we know and understand what somebody else is feeling and thinking. Emotional empathy. This is being able to feel what somebody else feels. So we have the concept, we know what they must be going through, but there's something in us that also feels the same. And there's recent studies to show that our brains are wired to do this, to actually have empathy for others. They're called mirror neurons. It was studied in chimps. It was actually found by accident. And the third is empathetic or empathic concern. And that is when we feel compelled to help somebody else in need. We don't just see and understand, we don't just feel the pain they're going through, but we want to help. And again, human beings are wired to do this. But why and when don't we do this? We don't always feel compelled, or we might feel compelled and we stop ourselves. And there are studies again to show that it's not through the lack of empathy, it's that when we are thinking of ourselves and we have something else that's getting our attention and we put our needs above somebody or something else, like running late. I want to help that person, but I need to get to this meeting. Or something else is on my mind. We are self-absorbed. And that stops us from experiencing that empathic concern or even acting upon the empathic concern. Great leaders possess all three and demonstrate all three.